Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syd. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is all about what I got for my birthday. Now I'm going to break this down into two videos. Just because I feel like this gift needs its own video. I did not want to share this with any other items that I got for my birthday. So after this video, I would definitely put out a full what I got for my birthday, and then I would it'd just be like a luxury haul. But for this unboxing, guys, yes, I'm in love with this item. I have not opened it yet. I have not touched it. I have not seen it in person. I only seen it online. I seen it on Instagram. I seen it on YouTube. But when I seen it, I just knew I had to have it. And I didn't plan on getting it for my birthday. That's the crazy thing. I was trying to get it before my birthday, but it was like sold out everywhere. When I went on my trip to Miami, sold out. I tried to order it. I tried to get it in New York. It was sold out. I called the online number, customer service, and they told me it was not available, that I would probably have to just go into the store. Like, I think you had to prepay for it. You could prepay for it or put like a deposit down, and then they will order it for you, and then it could take 2 weeks, or they don't really give you a date. But I was told, some people say it came in pretty fast. Well, one day I was at home and I was just scrolling online, and I seen it was available online, because every time you went online to try to get it, it was not available. So one night, on a Friday night, I was at home just chilling, watching TV, and you know, you got your phone in your hand and the commercial come on. So I just started scrolling, and I clicked on it and it said it was available. I quickly shared the link to my husband, said, this is what I want for my birthday. Now, this is maybe 2 weeks before my birthday, and I'm like, this is what I want. This is what I want. He's been asking me what I want to do, what I want for my birthday. I'm like, this is what I want for my birthday. Shared it with him. An hour later, he called me back. He was working, and he's like, the link is not working. I tried to pay for it. It's not working. So I was so upset, like so mad. I'm like, I think you took too long to click on the link. Like, guys, I was really mad at Babe, and I shouldn't have been mad at Babe. I'm sorry, Babe. But I was so mad, and then come to find out, Babe got it. I guess he was trying to trick me or whatever, and it came before my birthday. And I didn't open it. I said I was going to save it. I wanted to open it on my birthday, and I didn't have time because we was going to dinner. We were going out of town, and it was just a lot going on. So, guys, yes, I'm going to open with you guys, and with you guys only. I didn't even share it on Instagram. So, with my citizens and with my citizens only, your girl is unboxing the Van Cleef. Let's just unbox it, because I already put it in the description, so you already know, but let's just unbox it. Okay, so like I said, I went in the store, sold out when I was in Miami. They didn't have it when we was in the Van Cleef in where were we at? Shore Hills Mall. I think Van Cleef is in Shore Hills Mall. Yes, Shore Hills Mall. They didn't have it. I called the Van Cleef in New York at the I can't remember where, but one of the Van Cleef stores in New York, they didn't have it, and we found it online. So this is how it comes, a big white package, and I think it took 4 days from the day he ordered it till it came to the house. So 4 or 5 days. I see they have perforated, so let's just get it open. It's my first Van Cleef unboxing, my first Van Cleef piece, and let's get it open. Let's see how they ship their items. this. It's pretty tight. All right, and here is the receipt, and I guess it's like a return label, and it's just a receipt. This says this my husband ordered this in his name, and it's like here it is. I just wanted to cover up my address. Thank you, you know, Van Cleef, and then it says delivery address, Charles White, and then it tells you exactly what it is, the item number, no price on it. Okay, we're gonna put that away. Then it comes with styrofoam here. Packaged it up really well. And then they give you your VCA bag, I guess, so you can have the full shopping experience, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so here's the bag. Oh, then it comes in this beautiful, I guess this is like felt box. It's like a gray box. Let's get this out. And there's styrofoam in the bottom of the box as well. Wow, this is a serious presentation here. And then you have your Van Cleef stamp here. Can you see it? It's really nice. Okay. So it's a magnetized box. Let me open it this way. Oh, it's beautiful. Thumbnail. Oh, and it has like a pocket here. And it says Van Cleef and Arpels. And here is another, I guess this is a card. Oh, this is a client detail card. Oh, this is just like if you want to send it back, you put your information, things like that. Yeah, this is return or exchange form. So it's a form that you fill out with all your information. We won't be doing that. Then it has like all the recycled Pike paper, confetti paper. And then here is another little booklet. And I think this is the receipt. But this booklet, let's see what's in here. So this is your certificate. And that's your certification. And it has the reference number. And the date of purchase was 7/26/22. And it's your stamp. Oh, okay. So I'll keep that. You know, you're supposed to keep that a little private. Your certifications and this type of stuff you want to keep in your safe deposit box. And this is a care guide. Comes with a nice little care guide. Okay. My information in here, your care guide, and it's in different languages. That's pretty nice. Oh, and I guess you can write in it, your size and service, the serial number, the date of purchase. So let's look like this inside. Okay, I like. To the booklet, and then it's another paper here. Okay, so they send you like a blank card. So if Babe opened it, he could have wrote like happy birthday or whatever. So that's really nice. Move this stuff to the side. And then inside the package, all of the recycled paper. Here's your package. Thumbnail. See which thumbnail comes out the best. Y'all know I always record my thumbnails during my video. So here's another one. Thumbnail. So it comes in this silver paper and this beautiful green bow that says Van Cleef and Arpels. So let's just get it open. Wrapped up really nice. I don't know if I want to save it and unbox it for like Instagram or TikTok. I haven't posted on my TikTok in so long. Oh yeah, they wrap this up tight, honey. And it's in a white box. It says Van Cleef on it. Okay, so it opens like Cartier. You finally get to the beautiful green box. I don't know if this is like suede, microfiber, but it's nice. It feels very nice. And here it is, guys. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Is it as beautiful as I think it is? Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful it is. The shine on this, can you guys see it? I don't know if my camera is doing it any justice because it's gloomy out. It's rainy and there's really no sunlight in my room. But look at this. Let me hide my face so you guys can get a really good look at this. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to touch it and get fingerprints on it. Okay, so here it is. You know, they did not give me a, what you call it? I'm going to have to go there and get one. A travel pouch. Yes, I definitely need me a travel pouch. So, I'm pretty sure they put this little tag on it. So, yeah, do not remove. Once you remove it, it's yours. So, I'm going to have Babe come and put this on. And, it is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There, and then we'll discuss a little bit about it. Okay, guys, I have it on, and I'm going to have to take it and get it sized. But we could talk about a little bit of the details because it's like really dangly, and I don't want mine dangly. I want it a little tight, so I might have them take out 2 sets of links, and I think I'm going to wear it on this hand with my Cartier stack because I don't want this bumping up against my watch. So I think I'm going to just wear it over here. But anyway, guys, so you see I got the beautiful 5 motif Guilloché, I think I'm pronouncing that right, Guilloché bracelet, and I love it. I love the way how it shines. Like I said, I don't know if the camera is doing any justice, and I don't like how it is so big, like it comes all the way up here. So I'm definitely going to have some links taken out. It is 18 karat solid gold. I love that. Kind of remind me of my love bracelets. So the golds will be the same exact color, and I just think it's a beautiful, beautiful, elegant piece. Like, I could take all my jewelry off and just wear this, and this is like going to stand out, and I still feel like it won't be too much if I wear it over here as well. I think it's still going to stand out. It will hold its own with my stack. That's what I really love about this piece. And guys, I just really started doing a little research on Van Cleef, and I fell in love with the brand. Okay, so y'all already know that Cartier is like, I love Cartier. I love Cartier. And I'm not going to stop building my stack. I'm just taking a little break for right now. I probably will get me one for my anniversary next year. The white gold with the 4 diamonds. That's on the top of my wish list. But guys, when I went into the Van Cleef store, I tried on the 5 motif with the onyx. Oh my goodness. And the necklace, it is so freaking cute. And it just, I don't know. It's beautiful. But anyway, I love the way you can stack these with different colors. I just love the way they shine. And I was told by a Van Cleef essay that this guilloche will scratch easily if I wear it with my stack. Now, with this one, they cannot buff out the scratches. So you have to be very careful, even though I'm not like, when it comes to my jewelry, I'm not one of those ones that won't wear my jewelry because of wearing up against scratches. I'm going to wear it because you have to have like a microscope to see the scratches. So I'm not worrying about that. It's not going to lose its shine. That's what I love about it. It won't lose its shine because of the way they made each motif. The cuts and inside of the motif makes it, has like a little shimmer to it, like kind of shines like a diamond. Like this is so shiny and I love it. And I just can't wait to like add a few colors to it. And I think, you know, some people don't like the, when you do 3 or 4 of the 5 motif, but I love that look. I think it's such a rock star look. You can dress it up, dress it down. It depends on your style. So this is it. This is my new beauty and I'm loving her. I'm actually going to take her, like I said, get a couple links out. You can always go on Van Cleef Arpels website, stalk the website if you're in the market for this bracelet. And once in a while it's on there. I only quoted on the website one time. If not, you can definitely try to book an appointment if you can find one near you. Book an appointment and go see it in person. I took a risk on it from watching so many different YouTube videos. So I didn't actually see this in person, like I said, just online. And I fell in love with it. So here it is. And I love it. Thank you, babe. And that is it, guys, for this little unboxing of my Van Cleef Arpels 5 motif guilloché bracelet. And like I said, I love it. And if you have any comments or any questions, you can just leave it down in the comments below, or you can always send me an inbox on Instagram or email, and I will make sure I will try to get back to you. And if you're new here and you love this video and you made it this far, just do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, and become an official citizen. Yes, become an official citizen. So that is it, guys, for this unboxing video. Until next time, Sid signing off. Peace. I love it. It is so freaking cute.